Good evening students, how are you all? I hope you are all well and fine at home. Yes. So I am back with a new video of chapter number 6. In the previous video we have discussed up to the leaf and what were the various functions of leaf. I hope you all must have gone through the video and you all must have drawn the diagrams also that I must have given you in that video. Okay. Now we are moving to another part of this chapter, that is the flower, fruits and the seeds. Flowers are the reproductive part of the plant. Flowers, we all love flowers. They are of different color, we are of different color, shape is also there, and they smell also very different. Flowers grow from the flowering birds. Where do the flower grow? They grow from the flowering birds. Flowers of most of the plants changes into fruit. There are some kinds of flowers that changes into fruits. Fruits have seeds inside them. There are some of the fruits that have seeds, like apple. Have you seen apple? Apple के अंदर seeds होती हैं. Some fruits have only one seed and some other fruits have many seeds. किसी में तो एक ही होती है. Like papaya also have seed. Watermelon also have. They have many seeds. The seeds we eat, such as rice, wheat, corn, peas, dal and nuts, are called edible seeds. जो हम खा सकते हैं, rice, wheat, corn, peas, dals and nuts, that is called edible seeds. And the seeds we cannot eat, and that is called inedible. So what are edible seeds? Edible seeds are the seeds that we can eat. And what are inedible seeds? Inedible seeds are seeds that we cannot eat. You can see the picture of a flower and you can see the picture of a fruit. This is what? This is hibiscus. Yes? Okay. Now we come to photosynthesis and transpiration. Photosynthesis and transpiration are two major functions of a leaf. The process of preparing food by the leaf is called photosynthesis. What is the process by which leaf prepare food? The process by which leaf prepare food is called photosynthesis. Photo means light. What is the meaning of the word photo? Photo means light and synthesis means put together. Sunlight is a basic requirement in photo. What is the basic? सबसे ज़्यादा ज़रूरी क्या है? The basic requirement is the sunlight because it's provide energy for the process. You can also see the picture of photosynthesis. Yes, the plants are giving out oxygen, taking in carbon dioxide. They are making sunlight, and in the presence of water they are taking from the roots. So very important diagram. This diagram you have to draw in your notebook. Sunlight, water and carbon dioxide are the raw materials which a plant needs for making food. So what are the three requirements? Sunlight it needs, water it needs, carbon dioxide it needs for the plant to make the food. Leaves obtain these raw materials in the following way. How do they obtain the raw materials? Root observes water and minerals from the soil. Water and minerals where it observes? वो तो soil से ले लेते हैं. Water and mineral reach the leaves through the stem. और ये leaves तक कैसे जाते हैं? Through the stem. I have already explained you what is the function of the stem. That it transport water and minerals from the roots to other parts of the plant. Leaves take in carbon dioxide through the stomata. जो stomata जो tiny pores होते हैं उसके through release होता है intake and outtake of air. That is through the leaves. Okay. Chlorophyll present on the leaves absorb the energy of sunlight. So chlorophyll, the green color pigment that is present on the leaves, that helps to trap the sunlight. In the presence of sunlight, leaves changes water and carbon dioxide into food. So because sunlight is there, that's why water and carbon dioxide is being converted into food. The food made by the plant is simple sugar in the form of glucose. So what this food is in form? It is in the simple form of glucose. Later it is converted into starch. Later glucose is converted into starch. Oxygen is given off through stomata of leaves in the process of photosynthesis. That's why it is always advised that why we should grow more and more trees. Why? Because trees gives out oxygen. That is importance for our living, and oxygen is given out in the process of photosynthesis only. Okay. Now I have explained you photosynthesis. Just a second. Just a minute. Okay. Yes. Photosynthesis. Yes. Photosynthesis is the process by which plants make food in the process of sunlight. Now I am going to explain you another word, that is transpiration. It is the process by which excess water is released to the stomata in the form of water vapor. Excess water जो हद से ज़्यादा जो पानी है वो water vapor के through leaves से निकलता है, and that process is known as transpiration. They like humans, जो extra water होता है, how we can release? In the form of sweat. So plant also release in the extra water in the form of water vapor. It is basically the evaporation of water from the surface of leaf. This diagram also children you have to draw in your notebook. Transpiration, evaporation of जो भाप बन के leaves, पानी जो leaves में से air में चला जाता है, that process is known as transpiration. I hope it is clear. Now we are moving to another part, that is the plant products. What are the products that we get from plants? All living organism depends on plants directly or indirectly for their food. Apart from foods, plants also provide many useful products. They food also provide, but they provide many useful products also. So let's look at them. Food from the plants. Plant gives us fruits देते हैं. They also give us vegetables, cereals, pulses, beverages, that is like tea and coffee, spices, masale, oil and sugar, and many other food from the plants we get. Vegetable and fruits. Different parts of plants such as roots, stems, leaves, flowers, fruits and seeds store food prepared by the leaves, and they are used as vegetables. Like radish is there, carrots are there, beetroots are there. We are using them as vegetables now. Potatoes, onions and gingers are stem. We all are using this in our daily food items. Cauliflowers and broccoli are the flowers we eat. They are referred as a flower. They come in the category of flowers. But broccoli and cauliflowers also we are eating. Spinach and lettuce are the leaves. इनके पत्ते like पालक पत्ते. That's why they are referred as leaves. So spinach and lettuce are the examples of ये leaves हैं जो हम खाते हैं. Tomatoes, capsicum and brinjal are some fruits that are eaten as vegetables. Tomatoes, capsicum and brinjal are referred as fruits. Why? Because they are having seeds inside it. And they are fruits जो हम इनको vegetables में खाते हैं. Capsicum, that is shimla mirch, brinjal, bagan. Green peas and hyacinth beans are the seeds that we also eat as vegetable. मटर के दाने हम लोग अपने vegetables में लेते हैं. So these are the important products that we get from plants. Now cereals and pulses. Cereals and pulses are the seeds of the plants. Rice हो गया, wheat and maize are the examples of some cereal that gives energy. They gives us energy. Wheat and maize, they are carbohydrates. Yes, remember. Pulses such as bean, gram, peas and kidney beans. छोटे rajma, that is kidney beans. और also seeds of plants we eat as dal, जिसे हम दाल समझ के खाते हैं. Pulses gives us protein and help us to grow. That's why it is always advisable to eat lots of pulses, because they contain lot of proteins that help us to grow. Okay, cereals. Can you see the example? Can you see the picture of cereals? So any two cereals and two pulses you have to draw in your notebook. Spices and oils. Spices add flavor to our food. Without masale, हमारा food तो बिल्कुल बेस्वाद है. Pepper, काली मिर्च, turmeric, हल्दी, cardamom, छोटी इलायची, cumin, जीरा are spices that we obtain from plants. So these are the different type of spices that we also get from plants. Oils are obtained such as coconut oil, sunflower oil, mustard oil, सरसों का तेल and groundnut oil. Okay, so these are the various type of oils that we get from the plants. Now we comes to the beverages, dry fruits and sugar. We get tea from the tea leaves, coffee from the coffee beans. We also get sugar and dry fruits from the plants. We get tea from the tea leaves, coffee from coffee beans. This I have already explained. Now what are the other useful products? That is furniture. Wood. Where does the wood come from? Wood comes from the plants. We get wood from the trees such as oak, pine and teak. And what is the wood used for? We all know wood is used to make houses, is there, boats are there, carts is there. Now fibers for clothes and bag. Cotton clothes are made of cotton fiber. जो cotton clothes होते हैं, how they are made? They are made of cotton fibers. That is obtained from cotton plants. So cotton plants से cotton आती है. Similarly, jute bags are there. Jute fibers that we get from jute plants, which are used to make rope. उसके रस्सियाँ बनती हैं, mats होते हैं, bags होते हैं. Can you see the furniture and the jute bags? Yes, we all must be using the jute bags also. So where we are getting this also, we are getting from the plants. is a fiber obtained from coconut hulls that are used for making doormats or ropes. बनाने के लिए कोई काम आता है. That is a kind of fiber. Now paper, rubber and gum. Paper is also obtained from plants such as bamboo and pampas grass. Items such as globes, rubber ball is there, tires and eraser is there. They are also made from the milky liquid of rubber plants. जो rubber plants पे जो liquid release होता है milky, that is used for making the different items of rubber. Tires हो गए, eraser हो गई, rubber balls हो गई. Now medicines, many plants have medicinal properties. तो बहुत ही ज़्यादा है. Plants such as tulsi. Now in the days of coronavirus, it is also advisable to eat tulsi and neem leaves. Medicinal value. So we have to grow more and more plants. तभी तो medicinal medicines आएंगी. Tulsi, mint, neem, turmeric. It is advisable in these days to eat. Can be used as a medicine. Clove, that is referred as long. Okay. So with this, our chapter number 6, the plants in the surroundings and what are the different types of plants products is being explained. Okay. I hope you have tried to understand both the videos. I'll be soon sharing the PDF of exercises, question answers and give reason. Okay. Till then, take care of yourselves. Bye bye.